So good morning boys once again, and we are here today in this session to answer sample paper 2. Already we have answered sample paper 1, and today in this session we are going for sample paper 2, so that you are familiarized with the way the questions are asked and the pattern you will come to know. And as I have been discussing with you, the question paper contains 3 sections: section A, section B, section C. Mind you, all the questions are MCQ type, multiple choice questions. And in section A, totally there will be 24 questions. You have to answer any 20. So you must be clear in your mind which one to answer, which one to leave. Okay, so 20 questions you must answer, 20 marks. Section B also has 24 questions and you need to answer only 20, so there also your choice. Section C, you have 12 questions and you have to answer any 10. So in this, already I have told you that section A is MCQ type, normal MCQ type, wherein one statement will be there and 4 choices will be there, alternatives will be there. You have to pick up the right one. Section B is assertion and reasoning type, A and R. So wherein you have to think and answer, apply logic. Section C is case-based questions or diagram-based questions, wherein one paragraph will be there about a concept. Down you have questions to be answered. So here, that is the reason why I said you need to practice diagrams. Right? Now here we go. Keep a paper and a pen with you. Okay? As I read the questions and alternatives, you just answer. At the end of it, I will give the answers. Is that okay? Are you ready? Take a pen and paper. Write sample paper 2, section A. First question. So question 1, Rajaji National Park is in A. Assam, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Uttarakhand, and D. Karnataka. Rajaji National Park. Chapter 1, National Parks. So you write question 1 and write only English alphabet you write. Say you feel B is the answer, you write 1B like that. No need to write Tamil Nadu like that. Okay? Question 2. The vacuoles are bound by single membrane called A. Tonoplast, B. Contractile vacuole, C. Cisternae, D. Food vacuole. So write question number 2, write the answer. Cell and cell organelles chapter. Next, question 3, thallus, undifferentiated plant body, thallus of Rixia is A. tetraploid, triploid or triploid, diploid and haploid. You know, OID means set of chromosomes. When you say haploid, 1 set of chromosomes, diploid, 2 sets of chromosomes, triploid, 3 sets of chromosomes, tetra, 4, So you remember we used to write N and 2N. N means haploid, 2N means diploid, two sets of chromosomes. Question number 4. Identify the animal given below. Animal. Mention its phylum. Animal classification. A. Ascidia. Ascidia. Phylum Chordata. Second one is Aurelia. Phylum Coelenterata. Right, third one Spongilla and phylum Porifera. D. Euspongia, phylum Porifera. So identify the animal that is shown there. Next, 5. The cup-like structure formed by the adnation of sepals, petals and stamen is Hypanthodium, B. Cyathium, C. Hypanthium capitulum. Are you able to listen? Yes? Is my voice clear now? Yes, boys? Rohit. Is it clear now? Yeah, question number 6. What is the function of prostomium in peritima? Peritima postma is earthworms. A. Only used as a wedge to dig the soil. B. Covering of mouth. C. Both covering mouth and used as a wedge to dig the soil. Used as wedge to dig the soil. Question number 7. The photograph or diagram of metaphase. Okay, metaphase. This comes in division, cell division. We said 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So the photograph or diagram of metaphase chromosome arranged in homologous pairs according to their length and thickness. The position of the centromere is called centromere, that Rudraksha type, round structure, which is joining to chromatids. A. Chromogram. B. MRI. C. Ideogram. D. None of these. Question number 8. The fact that all biomolecules undergo turnover is known as metabolism, anabolism, catabolism. All of these means biomolecules undergoing division, digestion. Next, question 9. Who was the first to explain that cells divide. Cells will undergo mitosis. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, Swan, Rudolf Virchow, and D. Robert Brown. Question number 10. The number of substrate molecules changed per minute by a molecule of the enzyme is called. The number of substrate molecules changed per minute by a molecule of enzyme is called. Final number, turnover number, enzyme reaction number, and none of these. It should come last. Okay? None of these should come. All of these, none of these should come last. Question 11. Identify from the following category which has real existence. A. Kingdom. B. Phylum. C. Species. D. Genus. Question 12. An important site for the formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids is, means where are the glycoproteins and glycolipids are synthesized. A. Vacuoles. B. Lysosomes. C. Plastids. D. Golgi apparatus. I hope you are writing that. Alternatives. Question 13. Greatest extent of adaptation to various environments is found in A. Angiosperms. B. Bryophytes. C. Gymnosperms. D. Ferns. Means, in spite of variations in the environment, which one will follow more? So, greatest extent of adaptation to various environments. Which one can adjust? Question 14. In which feature does Neem differ from Cycas or Pinus? These are names of plants, okay? Showing affinities with angiosperms. Angiosperms are flowering plants, group of plants bearing flowers. A. Presence of vessels, elements, and absence of archegonia. B. Absence of resin ducts and leaf venation. C. Embryo development and apical meristem. D. Perianth and two integuments. Next, question number 15. Question number 15. The locomotory organ of Annelida is, means earthworm family. Parapodia, Pseudopodia, sucker, and feet. Annelida. Okay. Next, question number 16. Platelets are formed from the, where are the platelets formed? What are platelets? Parts of RBC. Okay. Are you able to listen? Hello, boys. Hello. Ajay? Hello, Ajay. So we move on to question number 16. Platelets are formed from the A. Hemocytes, B. Microchiocytes, C. Thrombocytes, and D. Megakaryocytes. Question number 17. Lysosomes are produced by A. Endoplasmic reticulum, B. Leucoplast, C. Mitochondria, D. Golgi bodies. Lysosomes, suicidal bodies of the cell, we say. Okay. Question 18. What is the name of heterocyclic carbon compound attached to sugar? Okay. Heterocyclic carbon compound attached to sugar. So nucleic acid, nucleotide, nucleoside, and all of this. This comes on DNA. Remember DNA, RNA, nucleic acids, sugar, sp acid, sugar plus phosphate. The vertical strands of DNA are made up of sugar and phosphate, whereas the horizontal steps in the ladder are made up of nitrogenous bases. Recollect from your memory. Question 19. The remains and left impressions of an organism are called as dead remains, calcareous, coals, and of course fossils. D. Question 20. Which one of the following statements is true for cockroach? The larval stage is called caterpillar. They are ureotelic. Anal styles are absent in females. The number of ovarioles in each ovary are 10. I think this is, you have to check. This is out of syllabus cockroach, right? Question 21. The giant redwood tree, Sequoia, is a pteridophyte, angiosperm, fern, and gymnosperm. So to which category it belongs to, which division this giant redwood tree belongs to? Question 22. Which one of the following does not belong to Urochordata? Here, does not. Remember? Lancelet, Salpa, Dolioplume, and Acedia. Which one of the following does not belong to Urochordata? Next. Silk produced by Antherae melita is called Mysore silk, Eris silk, Muga silk, and Tussar silk. We come to the last one in this section, section A. Which one is heterocrine gland? Is it liver, salivary gland, pancreas, and gastric glands? Okay. Now you take some time, answer this. Now check your answers. I am giving answers. Check your answers and put your score in our WhatsApp group. So here I am giving the answers to you. Just check. Question 1. Question 1, answer is C, Uttarakhand. Rajaji National Park is an Indian national park and it's a tiger reserve that encompasses the Shivaliks near the foothills of Himalayas in Uttarakhand. So answer for question 1 is C. Question 2, of course all of you know A, tonoplast. The vacuole is bound by a single membrane called tonoplast. In plant cells, the vacuoles can occupy up to 90% of the volume of the cell. In plants, the tonoplast facilitates the transport of number of ions. Question 3. Question 3 answer is D, haploid, N number. Rixia is a genus of liverworts in the order Macanciales. In bryophytes, the plant body is generally haploid that alternate with diploid form for shorter period. Hence, the thallus of Rixia is haploid. Question 4, D. Answer is D, Euspongia, and it belongs to phylum Porifera. The animal is identified as Euspongia belonging to phylum Porifera. Question number 5, Hypanthium. Okay, Hypanthium. In angiosperms, a hypanthium is a structure where basal portions of the calyx, corolla, and stamens form a cup-shaped structure. So that cup-shaped structure is called hypanthium. Question 6. Answer is C. Okay. Where is it? Yes, question 6 is answer C. Both covering mouth and used as a wedge to dig the soil. As all of you know, sons of farmers, the prostomium is a muscular structure found in annelidians. It is the first body segment at the anterior end and appears lip-like. It forms a covering around the dorsal side of the mouth of the earthworm. It is used as a wedge to dig the soil to make a burrow. So the prostomium is also sensory in function. Next, question 7, answer C. Ideogram. Ideogram is a diagrammatic or systematized representation of the chromosome complement of an individual, species, and another group of organisms, indicating the number of chromosomes and their length, arm length ratio, centromere position, and banding pattern. So, ideogram. Question 8. A. Metabolism. Metabolism is the sum total of all chemical reactions taking place in the cells of living organisms. You know, this involves breaking, catabolism, and making, anabolism of biomolecules. Question 9. C. Answer. Rudolf Virchow. A German doctor, Rudolf Virchow, proposed in 1855 that all cells result from the division of previously existing cells. And this idea became a key piece of modern cell theory. Next, question 10, answer is C. Turnover number. The number of substrate molecules changed per minute by a molecule of an enzyme is called turnover number. Higher the turnover number, of course you know the enzyme is very effective, and vice versa. Question 11. A. Kingdom. The kingdom is a category which has real existence. All the living organisms are divided into 5 kingdoms that exist naturally. Phylum, genus, species is the name given to group of organisms having some common characters. Next, question 12, of course, all of you know Golgi apparatus, because Golgi apparatus synthesizes glycoproteins and glycolipids. Next, question number 13. Question number 13. A. Angiosperms. Angiosperms. Adaptation is essential for the survival of the living organisms. The greatest extent of adaptation in various environmental conditions is found in angiosperms. They are found in all kinds of environments and altitudes. They are like Chinese school boys. You can exist anywhere, no? You have better adaptation like that. Question 14. Answer A. Presence of vessels, vessel elements, and absence of archegonia. You remember that word archegonia? Female reproductive structure. Antheridia, male reproductive structure. So, Netum differ from Cycas and Pinus in the presence of xylem vessels. So, these vessels are absent in gymnosperms, but as all of you know, they are present in angiosperms. This feature shows affinities with angiosperms to Netum. Next, question number 15. Answer, parapodia. The locomotory organ of Annelida is parapodia. Parapodium is in the form of lateral fleshy protrusion, means muscular structure, on the body surface that help in movement and capturing of food. So, parapodia is the locomotory organ. Next, question number 16. Answer D. Megakaryocytes. Platelets, they are present in blood. Blood contains 4 parts: RBC, WBC, platelets, and plasma. So, platelets are little pieces of blood cells that help in blood clotting. Whenever there is an injury, these things will come on to the area where bleeding is taking place and clot the blood. So, it is formed from megakaryocytes. Question 17. Answer D. Golgi bodies. Lysosomes are manufactured and are formed into the cytoplasm by Golgi apparatus with the help of enzymes present inside. Enzymes that are within the lysosomes are made in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Remember, I said endoplasmic reticulum is of 2 types, rough and smooth. On rough endoplasmic reticulum, there will be ribosomes. That's why their surface becomes rough. So, they are called RER. Whereas, if ribosomes are not present on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, the surface becomes smooth. So, such type of ER is called SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay? Right. Next, question number 18. Nucleoside. And I said NS spelling, NUCLEOSIDE. And first letter is N, in between S is there. So, N stands for nitrogenous bases, S for sugar. So, nucleoside, in the question only answer is there. A nucleoside is formed by the linkage of nitrogenous base to the OH group at the first carbon of the pentose sugar through glycosidic link. So, it is the combination of nitrogen base plus sugar. Question number 19, of course, all of you know D. Fossils. So, the dead remains of plants and animals and their impressions are called fossils. And fossils help in tracing out the evolution. We can know the history of evolution. Question number 20. Answer C. Anal scales are absent in females. Male cockroaches bear a pair of short thread-like anal scales in the ninth segment, which is absent in females. Question 21, of course you know it, D, gymnosperm. Gymnosperm. It is the sole living species, genus Sequoia. It is common name includes redwood tree, California redwood tree. It's evergreen, long-living, monoecious tree. Okay, so redwood tree belongs to gymnosperms. And you know, gymnos means naked, sperm means seeds. Plants that bear naked seeds are called gymnosperms. Next, question 22. Answer is A, lancelet. So lancelets are classified into phylum Chordata, subphylum Cephalochordata. Lancelet, the name for small fish-like lower chordate, also called as Amphioxus. It shows many affinities with vertebrates. There are about 30 lancelet species, most belonging to genus Branchiostoma, formerly known as Amphioxus. They are usually 1 inch long with the transparent bodies. So there is no distinct head and no paired fins. These are the descriptions of lancelet. And then question number 23, answer D, that is Tussus silk. The silk produced by Antheriomylitta is called Tussus silk. The silk is considered as the most durable and best quality silk. So Tussus silk. And 24, last question, C, pancreas. The pancreas is called heterocrine gland because it acts as both endocrine as well as exocrine gland and secretes hormones as well as digestive enzymes. Another one, testis and ovary also heterocrine glands, as you know. Why? Endocrine means ductless glands, okay, that secrete hormones directly into the blood. Exocrine, glands that are having ducts. So in endocrine glands, the hormone secreted will mix up with blood fast. Exocrine, since hormones have to flow through the tubes, it takes time. So pancreas is a mixture of both. So we have answered section A like this. We will go through section B in our next class. Meanwhile, in our WhatsApp group, please put your score so that we will try to understand whether there is any problem. And if you got any doubts, please post it in the group. Okay? Take care. Keep on studying. Bye.